Dr. T. Ravishankar. Shrimp farming is investment intensive and a relatively risk intensive farming. However, institutional credit and insurance coverage are still a dream for shrimp farming. Dr. T. Ravishankar, senior economist and principal scientist, ICAR SIBA, presented his views on the issues, bottlenecks, and prospects in the provision of institutional credit and insurance for the sector in ICAR SIBA's BAFAC 2020 in Surat.
सबको नमस्कार. Actually, I speak in English only, so kindly bear with me. Here we are talking about the nexus to be created or strengthened between aquaculture, credit and insurance. Because aquaculture farmers have a smaller or larger land, they are willing to labor. Next thing is capital or credit, that is what is required. Many times this linkage or nexus is not happening, particularly for smaller marginal farmers who do not have any other collateral security kind of thing. Then the fourth one is risk. Any industry, any work, it will involve some risk. So unless there is an insurance agency coming forward to insure the activity, getting credit will also be difficult. So to sustain the aquaculture in a more safer way or sustainable way, we need to have the insurance and credit support, particularly for small and marginal farmers. That's what we want to highlight in this issue. Actually, we have invited our people from NABARD and Oriental Insurance and other people. Unfortunately, none of them could make to this one to give their point of view. Since I am working in this area, I would just like to highlight this point. See, aquaculture, as many of us know, it is one of the biggest foreign exchange earner. It is after basmati rice and meat, it is all shrimp only. So three major commodities, agricultural commodities, shrimp is in the middle of the meat and basmati thing. And then more than 1 million people are employed, so it is a national interest. To protect aquaculture is a national interest, every one of us know. Then as morning somebody was saying, domestic consumption is also increasing with increasing purchasing power. So almost 10, that means 60,000 to 70,000 tons are being consumed locally in India, within India. Then 1.5 lakh hectare is under aquaculture. And then internal rate of return, particularly bankers will be very much interested to know the IRR. When we work out for aquaculture enterprises, it will be between 70 to 140 or 160% it will come. Many of the aquaculture enterprises. So money, getting back the money is very easy in aquaculture, but there is a little bit element of risk. So I am highlighting that insurance should be first brought in so that credit will be flowing automatically so that farmers benefit. So just to highlight the credit, particularly for wetting the interests of bankers. So capital formation, what I mean is the land and other infrastructure farmers have created over the years. It is more, we estimate more than 15 lakh crores of rupees in India. So it is a very big industry with a very high capital investment. And modern aquaculture segment, every crop period it is requiring 10,000 to 25,000 crores, which is not being supported by the formal or institutional credit as of now. Then recovery is very easy compared to any other industry or agriculture where the money is pending from buyer to farmer. Here most of the farmers, 90% of the farmers get at farm gate whenever they give the produce. So bankers should be happy to invest or give credit to aquaculture people because getting money back is easy in aquaculture compared to any other thing. Same way insurance also, even with all the biosecurity and most of the advanced things, we have seen many farmers presentation also, most of the farmers take care of all the security concerns. Still there is a probability exists for some disease outbreak. So we estimated around 0.27% probability. So unless insurance covers this, if insurance is not taking care of risk in enterprise, who else will take care? Because to sustain the small and marginal farmers, insurance is must. So one more important thing is insurance companies' risk is only for 2 to 3 months. After 60 days of crop, farmers are able to salvage something and sell in domestic market. So insurance companies will not be affected. So the insurance people should also be very much interested to cover 60 days period, and they are charging 4 to 8% premium. Compared to motor insurance, it is only 2%. 0.5 to 2% depending upon different schemes. But aquaculture, they are demanding 4 to 8%, but still many are not operating. That is the issue we wanted to highlight. Unfortunately, their representatives were not able to make to this meeting. So in the later discussion session, we can have any questions on this. Thank you very much.